Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to cancel Allianz car insurance. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to cancel your Allianz car insurance policy, what you need to do is head over and open up your Allianz application, and then be sure to be logged in with the credentials to access your Allianz account. Then once logged in, on your home screen and navigate to the My Car section to view your car insurance policy details. Then simply look for the option that says cancel policy and tap on it. Then select the date you wish your policy to be cancelled. Now provide a reason for cancellation indicating the reason for cancelling your policy. Then the app will display any applicable refund amounts based on your cancellation date. Then once all that's done, review all the details and confirm the cancellation. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.